Hey bag babes, it's your girl Nashay. What's up? What's good? So tonight we have an unboxing. Yay! I'm excited because y'all know I needed to get out of that Lexington, okay? So I have something in this box that will replace her, God willing. I picked this beauty up through I Love Dooney, and this was the end of the holiday sale situation. So I jumped on and jumped in and got this beauty, and I'm really happy that I did, considering the Lexington was a little bit unsatisfactory because the size was just not what I needed this week. So I had to do some adjusting. Now with this bag in here, I don't think I'll have that problem. So let's go ahead and get right in. Like I said, I've had this box here at the house since the end of December. Here we are, almost middle of February, which is a problem. But we're working through our problems. So I'm just trying to cut it. Get this here. I hope everybody is doing well. There is still time to sign up for my giveaway if you have not done so already. So if you are interested in the Daisy Rose tote, please don't hesitate to sign up, watch that video, drop your power word for the year, and enter the giveaway, because I will be pulling that name in a few days. All right, so we have the first flap released, as you can see, and the second flap released. Put the scissor down right here, and let's go ahead. Ooh, sa, da da, da 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 da. What do we think? What do we think? Right off the bat, you can see she is much bigger than Miss Lexington. But this is undeniably a hot pink. We have a large outer pocket, pebbled leather. She's looking pretty good. Everything is wrapped up. Doesn't seem like she's been used or abused. So yeah, I'm liking her. She has feet, as you can see. So I think she's probably gonna stick around. Let's go ahead and take off all this plastic. Okay, so she is free of all the packaging. Here she is. A little wrinkle here or there, but honestly, that does not bother me. I like the bag overall. My favorite feature so far is this huge front pocket. I'm not too crazy about the tassels. These might actually come off. I'll probably try to tolerate them for a little bit, but they'll probably come off. We'll see. I did see a little loose thread right here. Not typical with Dooney bags. I'm not worried about it. I will just cinch that off with my lighter. And I did see another piece of loose thread right here along the zipper section. But again, with that, not a huge deal. I will cinch that off. This bag has a very large compartment. You see the Dooney setup, so we have big slip pockets on one side and we have big zipper pocket on the other side, and I love that. We have the red interior. We have the key, I always forget the name of this, the key leash right here. Beautiful leather straps that are sturdy and strong, loving that. We have a smooth Dooney zipper. I never have problems with my Dooney zippers. Love that. Other than I really feel like I'm gonna enjoy this wear. And yeah, I like it. She looks like a easygoing type of girl. And the only thing I need to do is the elbow test to see if she truly is a winner. If she doesn't quite pass the elbow test, I still like her. She's going nowhere. So let me see. Let's try that again. Yep, looks like she passed the elbow test. So thank you for letting me show you my new purse. I am quickly gonna go ahead and get her packed and ready to go, because yes, this will be my new home for the next few days. So talk to y'all soon. Thank you for stopping by. Peace and love. Go ahead and just be amazing. Peace.